Hey Korbanth fans, I'm going to show you how to operate your Korbanth Dark Queen. This is the Dark Ray, of course. This saber is made by Elf Sabers, and we're the distributor for it. I really like how this particular saber looks. This is the clean version, and this is a folding saber. You know, you can open this up, and it becomes a staff. It's a double-sided staff, or you can push this button. Folds up. So I've already loosened up the emitters. Let me show you how you get into these. So there is a screw, a set screw. I'll show you where it is. This is the set screw, and what you do is you line it up, and then you can put this right here. So when you take that out, it allows this piece to come out. And I've already loosened up the one on the other side already, so you can take this out. So now the inside here are the chassis, and you can just pull them out like this. So this is the chassis. There is the battery. I highly recommend when you first get these, charge these batteries at least overnight, or at least a minimum of 7 hours. This right here is the on-off button, so you can turn it off, then turn it on. So on this right here, this is the button, and this is the button. They're plungers. So when you put these chassis into the saber, they go in with the buttons facing up all the way down until they can't go in any further, and then you can test it. Now you can push the button to turn it on. You can twist to turn off, or just hold the button down to turn it off. This upper button here changes the fonts.
I'm all the Jedi. Rey Skywalker.
Lord Vader. I can bring you in warm, or I can bring you in cold. Traitor! I will take what Jedi we have left and go to Geonosis.
Don't insult me.
So again, it's pretty simple. Just line up the chassis with the buttons, so they line up with these buttons. Push it all the way in. Then you can put this piece on right here. You line up the holes right there, and then you can take the little screw here, and this goes right in there. And what that does is it locks this into place. By the way, also, the other Allen key that comes with this, there is your blade retention screw. It's very important that when you put these pieces on, that you do want to lock the blades in place, because when you flick this saber into open mode, if you don't have the blades secured, they could go flying, and that would not be a lot of fun. So,
Jedi, prepare for death.
now of course I'm going to turn this on. They're both going to be different colors.
Where is he?
But it's a pretty simple saber. You don't need to take it apart anywhere other than just open this screw here to pull this off, pull the chassis in and out. You don't need to do anything else. The chassis are fully removable. The batteries are fully removable and chargeable. And their blade retention screws for the blades are right up there. Pretty simple. Enjoy it and have fun.